lesson, we are going to be working with the paddle and roll. So up to this point, you've just done dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel over and over and over again. We are going to change things up a little bit. You're going to be doing some paddle and rolls, and then we're going to add some stamps and stomps to make the rhythm with it a little more interesting and not just a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Give it a try. Now this is going to be a little different because I find just doing a lot of paddle and rolls in a row can be kind of dull. So we are going to kind of interrupt it here and there. So you're going to start with the right foot. You're going to do 3 paddle and rolls. So you're going 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do a stomp with the left foot. You're not going to change your weight. You're just going to put the foot down on the floor. So that'll be from the first paddle and roll, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. So you get a nice little rest in there. Then you're going to pick up that left foot and do the same thing again, starting with the left this time. So you go dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. All right, just the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Let's put the right side and the left side together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Okay, let's go on to the next little part. You are going to do dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. So you're doing 1 paddle and roll and your stomp. So that's going to be dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3. Hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. Okay, let's add that on. So back from the first paddle and roll where you're doing 3 and a stomp, 3 and a stomp, 1 and a stomp, 1 and a stomp. 5, 6, 7, 8, and dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. From here, you're going to do 3 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. This time you're going to change your weight. It's a stamp. Hold 8. Okay, that's the whole paddle and roll section. Let's walk through the whole thing. So you have 3 stomp, 3 stomp, 1 stomp, 1 stomp, 3 stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8, and dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, stomp. Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, stamp. Five, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and